Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. So I am getting ready to revisit a brand that I gave a kind of bad review. Not really bad, just listen. Okay, so boom. Excuse me. My daughter want to say hi to y'all. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, bye-bye. One of the companies that I reviewed was TréLuxe. In that video, I enjoyed the leave-in, but the gel, I didn't have a good experience. Well, the owner saw my review. And she hit me up, and honestly, she was so incredibly gracious. Her name was Courtney, and she was saying, you know, I saw your video. I'm sorry that you had a bad experience. I want to make this right for you. I looked at your hair, and I think I know exactly what products would work for you. Can I send it to you? And I was like, yes. And I really appreciated the fact that she was so nice. I really, really value that. So Courtney, thank you. So this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid. What we're going to talk about today is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. Now, real quick, before we get into this product, I got a comment from a supporter of mine, Curly Johnson. Curly said to me, yo, I've been looking at your old videos so I can see your intro again. You just stopped using it on us and you just rushed through these videos. I want to see that intro. And I was like, honey, drag me by my edges, why don't you? And so since Curly hit me up so boldly, it's only right that I bring the intro back. So with that being said, roll that beautiful bean footage. Ow! Hey, child. All right, so before I apply this, I'm going to use the leave-in from TréLuxe. It is the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In. I do really enjoy this. First of all, hold on, get into these nails. I want to thank my supporter, D Jammin Nails. This isn't sponsored either. She sent this to me in the mail and had the sweetest card with it. And I was just like, let me show my people. So I'm going to put her link in my description box. Y'all be sure to support her. I really appreciated her sending me this. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and apply this Untie the Knot. First time I used it, I liked it. The second time I used it, I loved it. So what I did the second time around, it do still smell like Christmas morning to me. It kind of got like a cinnamon scent to it. What I did the second time is not only did I put a cap on top of my leave-in, I got under the dryer. I am learning that when something is all natural, meaning they're not cheating and giving you a false feeling of softness that comes with silicones and different things like that, when they're using all natural ingredients, I find that they work better when I handle them a little bit more delicately. So what I did was I put this leave-in on, I put a cap on top, and I got under the dryer. I said for 10 minutes, my hair felt like the chef's kiss, like mwah. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Anywho, honestly, the second time that I used it made me fall in love with it. I'm gonna continue to use it. So let me put on the guest of honor. Well, I probably shouldn't even say guest because at this point, it's no longer my channel. It's Samantha featuring Faye In The City. So with that being said, come on, Samantha. Hello. So we just gonna put her on my head. Yes, this really looks stupid, but honey, let me tell you how this thing's starting to fill out. But then afro used to be down here, now she's here. So what I'm gonna do is get under the dryer with Samantha for about 20 minutes and just let this leave-in do its thing, and I will be back and we're gonna get into this curl cream. Okay. And we're back. Mother done talked enough, honey. I'm dipping into this product already. The ingredients are pretty clean, no silicones and all that stuff that people hate. It doesn't have that in there. This cream, they're saying, is for curl definition and a soft hold. So if I find it to be too soft, I'll just put like a mousse or a gel on top. But here's the thing, I'm about to torture myself. And the reason I say that is because of what I'm doing at the moment. And that is twisting my hair. What I found in my experience with my hair texture is, when I have a gel, I can do a wash and go. Honey, just slap the thing on and go. But when it comes to cream stylers, I gotta do a twist out. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just going in small sections and twisting very tightly. And then once it gets to the bottom, I'm just twirling it around my finger. And I gotta do that everywhere. It's just so hard. Not because it's hard, but because I'm bald-headed. And the cream feels really thick on my hands. And it feels very moisturizing, so I like that. All right, so twist, 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 twist. Honey, and now that I'm at the bottom, I'm gonna twirl it around my finger. Y'all, this is gonna be torture. I'm leaving these twists in for 2 days, and that's just facts. Okay, so let me keep twisting, and I'll be back. All right, so I just twisted up this whole first section, and honey, you can see they little struggle twist, but honey, we're getting the job done. So I'm just put some more cream on this side, and I've been applying it kind of heavy just because I like that. And when I do, I feel like it makes my hair look good. Like, of course, it doesn't have the way down look of a gel, but just like if I had like finer, softer hair, I could do a wash and go with this, but that's just not my plot in life, honey. Mother needs a gel. But as far as the twist goes, I really like this so far, but let's try another one. Take a little small section and twist it up for my dear life until I got cramps in my finger because, honey, mother is struggling. All right, and then when you get to the bottom, you just twist. Honestly, a twist out is pretty simple. I mean, y'all don't need no tutorial on that, but I just twist real tight, get to the bottom and twist. And I can honestly say so far, I feel like I really like the cream because my hair, just like even my skin, feels super moisturized. So let me finish putting in the rest of the twist off camera and I'll come back. Honey, this is a labor of love. Heavy on the labor. Okay. Good morning, Shane. I know I look like buckwheat, but we're gonna get it on together. So it's been a couple of days. When I said I was leaving those twists in, I meant that thing because it took me forever to do. What I want to acknowledge about this cream is in the little while that these twists have been in, without me putting any oil on top of this, my hair feels so moisturized and these twists are so soft. I really like that. I can't wait to see what it looks like once I take this hair down, which I need to do now because, honey, I look like one of them silver teeth kids. All right, so I'm putting some oil on my hands and let's start taking these twists down. So I'll just elongate the twist and unravel. Oh, that's really pretty. Do y'all see that? Like, that's really pretty. This is gonna take forever. Okay, yeah, just what I thought. My hair is super moisturized and we like that because, honey, I don't do well with dry. So let me unravel the rest and I'll come back and show you something, but let me go unravel my hair. All right, so the twists are down and unraveled. So I'm gonna just go in and pick a little bit just to get some shape and some volume. So just pick, 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 pick. Edges, which means just pushing back because, honey, ain't nobody got no baby hair. And here are my final results, and honestly, I feel like mother look real cute. So I'm gonna tell you something, this was a labor of love because y'all know I've been doing wash and go since I cut my hair off, only because twisting it is a job, but I can honestly say it was worth it. I really like my hair, so let's give me a round of applause for actually twisting my hair. So my final thoughts on this cream. I love the ingredients. I love the fact that they have clean ingredients, and that is a focus of the company because we know what we're putting in our head, so I like that. As far as the hydration, this was extremely hydrating and moisturizing for my hair. My hair felt so freaking moisturized. I really like that. It also had a softening effect on my hair. Like, my hair felt extremely soft. As far as the hold, on the package it does say define curls and soft hold. I would agree with that. I felt like it did give my curls some definition, even though it didn't give the way down look of a gel, but it did give definition to my hair, and the hold was soft. For my kinkier hair, when I was untwisting and unraveling to stretch and get some volume, I did get a little bit more frizz with me unraveling just because of the softness of the hold. But I can easily come back that if I wanted to by putting mousse on top of the cream when I'm done twisting. But at the same time, I love the way my hair looks, so I didn't feel the need to reach for a mousse. So overall, I would say Miss Courtney was right in saying that this is the product that I would love because, honestly, I really like this. So if you're looking for a recommendation from TréLuxe, I definitely say try the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. I loved it for my twist style. So with that being said, let me turn around, let you see the bag. Yes, she did that. She twisted her hair. And that's it, y'all. This was a labor of love, but I'm glad that I did it. Mother's hair has grown enough to twist. So with that being said, once again, thank you to D Jammin Nails for these high quality press-on nails. They are super, super thick. I've been doing a lot with my hands, and sometimes press-on nails can get cracks. They bend and they snap, but these have been extremely sturdy, and it's a Black woman-owned business. So thank you for sending this to me. I really appreciate you. This is not a paid sponsorship. She just sent it to me, and I wanted to give her a shout out. These are so cute. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Me love you long time. Maki Dada, and I'm out of here. Bye, y'all.